Being vibes in this, being vibes in this, vibes in this, being vibes in this, being vibes in this, being vibes.
Yeah, just how me living, thanks me a giving. When me step out, me clean and blinging. Yeah, Massacre. Jano, Beer Vibes TV, me have a show about that one and now. I want to them, man. Massacre, you find the tune them youth. Crab in a barrel. Ears a ring, them terms then a normal terms charge. Cause them talk, there's some talk from way back in the times. You know what I mean? You all upon all the ends are going ease and your ears all a ring out, you know say. I either somebody a charge up a name like Winterfresh or, you know what I mean, somebody a call a name or something. But when them a call a name and a good thing, them a call a name pan, you see me and say, them don't love the way you live when them see it with the car and them don't love to see it with the bike, them a talk all manner of things, you see me and say. So here's a ring, yeah man, me nah go round. I what day crab in a barrel lick with the place and right now here's a ring, I come take with the place. I like the rhythm, I like the beat. The beat kinda give a different mindset, a different frame of mind. You see me and say people, so I want you to tell me you know, cause I just start me a talk Beer Fox, so I want to know if a Beer Fox me attack if you not agree with me. Cause here's a ring. You have to make it when you're humble for sure. You see me I say? You have to make it when you're humble for sure. So right now at the verge Massacre Depan, you know my rice people, you might put in the work, the material clean, the product look ready for the market, it's sellable, you know what I mean, it buyable. Who for ears now hear I go hear you know. Cause who I see I go see so you don't know. Massacre style seeker. Yeah man, here's a ring. Watch this. You say it again, you know. Crab in a barrel, empty barrel them, you see me I say? Make them most nice, cause them a chat. Them now want to see the youth step out like him open a new store fresh and clean and bust the two door. I want to them. Some boy girl a broke out like a few sore. Bad youth. Yeah man, bad. Them lyrics in a normal. Yeah man, I love the flavor. Massacre Depan the rice people. You need to check it out. You see me? Here's a ring. Beer Vibes TV. You hear me talk? Mouth speak Beer Fox, feet live Beer Chucks.
It's your boy Grizzly Bear, Beer Fox, Beer Vibes TV, and I'm out.
Being vibes in this, being vibes in this, vibes in this, being vibes in this, being vibes in this, being vibes in this.